Good morning, my dear thinkers. Today we are going to talk about power of faith. This is natural to human mind that it always keeps faith on something somehow or the other. We have faith that we can hear, run, see, smell and walk to a certain limit. Having faith on such capabilities is the natural essence of human mind. It is on the basis of our faith on one another that the domestic and social fabric of life is running gloriously. Faith in Allah is the supreme of all faiths. It is not merely the faith on His presence, but also on the fact that His absence is nowhere in space and time. Besides believing His eternal presence, one has to keep faith on the fact that whole of the functioning and working of this universe and every invisible particle present in it, including movement of electrons and protons in an atom, is witnessing His presence. Such a true faith in Allah is quite strong a power that even the hardest implement of the day cannot destroy it. History is the witness of the reality that with the aid of this power, explorers and scientists did miracles. Philosophers and thinkers refined their thoughts with the spiritual power of faith. Inventions and innovations are perfectly associated to the faith in Allah Almighty. Words are not important. Demonstration is the key. He grants us on the basis of all true expectations about Him that we carry with us. And all such expectations come true due to power of faith. More is the extent of this faith, higher is the realization of human desires in this world. A majority chunk of world population believes in Allah, either directly or indirectly. Even the simple minority of atheists in the world believe in the presence of some divine authority. At least they believe that they are breathing, which is not automatic. Some authority might be operating behind the curtain. Implicitly, their mind accepts the presence of some supreme power, though they do not use the word Allah or God. Some have accepted God through scientific means. Nobel Prize winning invention of God particles is the classical example. But none has ever scientifically proved His absence so far. Unfortunate are the people who do not enjoy the power of faith. This means they do not believe in the presence of soul or spirit in their body. Playing at the hands of others, they remain floating in odd dogmas and myths. They go against the natural flow of life. Their denial is actually the rejection of human instinct. This is just like saying that I am not present, I do not exist. Praiseworthy are the people who have complete trust on Allah. They enjoy the power of faith. All other worldly powers are generated on the basis of this very power. Glory kisses them in all walks of life. Some of them become so noble in this faith path that they see Allah's reflections everywhere. With this unmatchable power, if we go a palm towards Him, He comes an arm towards us. And if we walk towards Him, He runs towards us. Power of faith thus urges us to love Him from the core of our hearts. Such affection further stimulates the very power. Thereby a self-generating mechanism is mobilized. Time has come for our youth to rejuvenate their lost power of faith and start loving and respecting the nature exactly in the way Allah desires from us. Let us start talking to Him. He is as close to us as our hearts and jugular veins. His presence is marvelously swinging in our souls. Goodbye, my dear learners.